ensure the quality products for the human health. We collected the orders, but at the time of supply, we were facing so many challenges. Yeah. So at that time, I strike that there should be one solution which can interlink everything. The reports, the analytical reports should be as per our expectations. Accounting is very seamless.
Mr. Sanjay with us. He is the founder of Khedut Sewa Private Limited. So he is here to share his Odoo journey. So sir, before we start the Odoo journey with you, we would love to know about your business and your background, like what you do as a company and what is your industry.
Yes, actually, thanks for inviting me to here first. And we are basically a tech startup. Our company is doing work in the agriculture sector. So what we do actually, we collect farm gate produces and we process some basic process. We do some basic process and we sell it through online as well as offline.
Okay.
And it is just you can understand that it's a farm to fork concept.
Okay.
So we are in the agriculture business to ensure the quality products for the human health.
So what were the challenges and what were your pain points that you feel so that I required some ERP solution?
Exactly. Nice question. Actually, we did one campaign.
Okay.
For one of the product. We did one campaign at the time of lockdown. So for the mango, at that time you might be knowing that most of the market, fruit market and vegetables market were closed. So where our farmers were in a difficult situation where they can sell. Yes, their crop was entirely about to loss. So what we did, we started an online platform to book the orders. Okay. So we developed one e-commerce platform. Yes. And we started the booking from the end users, just like as us individual households. Yes. At that time, we developed that e-commerce, but what we missed, where we started that we are not, e-commerce is not just an enough. We collected the orders, but at the time of supply, we were facing so many challenges. Like we were managing different solutions. Yeah. For the purchase, we were managing other applications. For the billing, accounting, we were managing other things. For CRM, we are managing other solution. So everything was different. So we were opening some 5-6 screens around us. Okay. And we were trying to managing, and everything was not linked. Yeah. So at that time, I strike that there should be one solution which can interlink everything. So from the procurement to supply, from the last mile delivery, everything should be linked. Yes. So at that time, I started to find out the solution. I searched some other solutions also, but finally I came to know about the Odoo.
Okay. So yes. Here one more question pop up in my mind, if you don't mind.
Yes.
So it is a normal consumer behavior. When we look for a product or services, we go through so many options. You must go through so many ERP solutions.
Yes.
So what makes you choose Odoo over the other software companies?
See, at the time of choosing the solutions, what particularly I say from my perspective, what I observe, first thing is it should be user friendly. Yeah. So my team should be means acquainted with the system. Means they must to be user friendly. Okay. With the system. They can play whatever they want to do in it. It should be user friendly flow. Okay. Second thing, yes, of course, looks, and third one is that the reports. The reports, the analytical reports should be as per our expectations. It should be in a way which can be strengthen our decisions.
Yes, of course.
So that was the major key factors while choosing the Odoo.
Okay. So if you would like to name some features which comes in your mind, because of those features, you can see the visible growth or the changes. So can you just enlist few features which you use frequently for your business?
Yes, it's basically first is CRM. So and that too interlinked with our social platforms also.
Yes, yes.
So whatever the leads are coming from either from social media platform, either from our IVR number, or whether it comes from our website contact page, or whether it comes from the other mail, email inquiry or something. So it directly leads to the CRM, and we can manage those leads, and we can design a flow.
Yes.
To secure that lead,
Yes.
to succeed that lead.
Okay.
So that is the one of the major factor which I particularly like for Odoo.
So higher the conversion rate.
Yes.
Like
So ultimately we are there to generate the revenue.
Yeah.
And it is the basic first factor which can generate the revenue.
Yeah.
Then there are so many other factors, other features also. Odoo I have been using. Accounting is very seamless. Then quality is very seamless.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Quality process is very seamless, and project we can design. If we have some event or something, we can manage in a project. If you want to recruit a team member, it is also very easy.
Okay, it
Help desk
sounds
is very
like
easy.
you are almost using all of the applications.
Yes, most of the applications
Yes,
I have
yes.
been using.
Okay. Okay. So, like, how do you feel about the Odoo community days? It's your
Very
first
good.
time here.
Yes, I have been means expecting since last 1 month. I was excited, means so much excited. So it's
Okay.
really my excitement is going fruitful.
Okay.
It's worth, because everybody is charged and positive, and I'm getting vibration over here.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you so much, sir.
Thanks
Thank you so
for
much.
arranging such a lovely
Okay.
event.
And like last question from my side,
Yes.
that if you think about the 5 years, like a vision regarding your business, then what is your business goals for next 5 years, and how you think that Odoo gonna help you out in that?
Yes, definitely. Every entrepreneurs want to grow. Every entrepreneurs want to succeed in their ventures. So definitely we have some bigger plan. We have means goals beyond the imaginations of the normal people. Odoo can be a good partner in it. What I particularly want to not suggest, but as I am your customer, I want to say that you should think to support us on mobile application side or some those side also, because right now mobile application is very user friendly for the public.
Yes.
In India particularly.
Yes.
We are more conventional with, we are more acquainted with the mobile applications.
Okay.
So for the e-commerce or for the delivery, if
Okay.
Odoo will start the support, definitely it will help in a unlimited process.
Okay. So, like, if you want to rate your overall experience with the Odoo, so on the scale of 1 to 10, what will be the number?
Definitely it's 10 out of 10.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for